IDFC First Bank Multi-Days 2025 first test. We've rolled into day 4. India A versus South Africa A from the BCCI Centre of Excellence, Ground 1 in Bengaluru. Outstanding cricket over the last 3 days. I would say all 3 results possible, but generally looking at it, 2 results possible. South Africa in their first innings 309, India A 234. South Africa in the second innings 199, India A 119 for 4, 156 runs to win for India A. 6 wickets for South Africa A to win the game, but Rishabh Pant 64 not out. Ball 1 of day 4, and on the money as always. Good first ball, Naman. There you go. Rishabh Pant, 1 ball is all it takes. What a shot to get off the mark this morning. 6 over covers. How good is he? How brilliant is he? Gosh. Will take some catching. No chance. He's using the pace of the bowler. Beautifully clipped. 2 full. Hands on the head for the bowler, but Ayush Baduni says no problem. Beautiful shot of the morning so far.
Take that, take that. That's gone high, wide, and very, very handsome. The 50 of the partnership comes up. Rishabh Pant moves into the 90s, and they need 103 now. Down the track again. Gone. That's gone. Very, very anticlimactic end to Rishabh Pant's innings. Has this now gonna change the fortunes of the game? We'll just have to wait and see. Rishabh Pant will head back to the pavilion after a few words of advice for the youngster Badoni.
Big shot. Will go all the way. No chance. There you go. Up in the air. Up in the air. He's found the fielder. Bouncer coming is what it looked like. Bouncer it was. And it's worked. He is fallen for the bouncer trap. Beautiful shot. That was a half volley. How it doesn't give you 4.
हाँ यहाँ पे निकल गई है गेंद और यहाँ मिलेंगे 4 रन.
That's in the air. This should be taken very, very comfortable. Tanush Kotian, his innings comes to an end.
आउट हुए 23 रन बना के 30 गेंदों का सामना किया.
Nicely bowled. Double bluffed him. The umpire says time for lunch. That will be lunch on day 4 in this first test between India A and South Africa A.
अच्छा सत्र रहा है साउथ अफ्रीका के लिए. वो 3 विकेट और उसमें बड़ी विकेटें मिली हैं. ऋषभ पंत, आयुष बदोनी और तनुष कोटियान. 97 रन बनाए हैं. इंडिया ए ने 22 ओवर में. रन रेट अच्छा रहा है. तो पहली गेंद लंच के बाद.
Yeah, he's been pacey, and he's the paciest of the South Africa A bowlers.
हाँ इस बार उठा के खेला है. यहाँ मिल गई बाउंड्री.
Oh, he's taking it on, and he'll get another boundary. Yeah, Anshul Kamboj has seen enough. He's throwing caution to the wind. This one's gone as well. 4.
हाँ ये अच्छी क्रिकेट है. गैप में खेल दिया. टाइमिंग अच्छा. लंबी दौड़ रहेगी. अंत में वो डाई पर मिलेंगे 4 रन.
Down the track and just drill that down the ground. 4 runs closer to win is India A. That's a hit. Miles and miles and miles with a lot of smile as well. Anshul Kamboj using the long handle to good effect, picking up the off spinner and depositing him over mid-wicket for a huge hit. Oh, that's four. That'll be a boundary. It was short, it was wide, and it got the treatment. Just the 2 runs required now. Down the track, over the top. That's the game for India A. What a win. They came from behind. They conceded a 75-run lead. Came and got them all out cheaply. Had to score 275 runs. Sweat a little bit for that, but what an innings played by Kamboj and Manav Suttar. They thoroughly deserve the win, India A.
मानव ने इस अंदाज से मुकाबला समाप्त किया, कदमों का इस्तेमाल किया, उठा के खेला मिड ऑन के ऊपर से और 4 रन दर्ज किए और उसके साथ ही जीत दर्ज करते हुए इंडिया ए के लिए.
Win is always sweet. To start the first test of 2 with a win will be even sweeter. Rishabh Pant, great innings by him, 90. He could have gone on and got that 100, but trying to accelerate, got himself out. The players walk back into the dressing room, the customary handshakes. Nice to see that the teams have played this in the right spirit of cricket. Well, let's just take a look at the match summary now. South Africa A put into bat, 309 for them. Jordan Herman looked really good for 71. Hamza, he was a real good talent. 66 for him before he got out. Kotian 4 for 83.